So I made this delicious fried rice on my live today, guys. You could go ahead. I did actually state what I put into it, and maybe you could watch that video if you want, but I'm gonna try run it down real quick. So I make some coconut milk and I boil that down. Then I stir fry the shrimp in it. The shrimp was seasoning with onion, garlic, turmeric, and a little Maggi all purpose. Then I stir fry the shrimp in the coconut. I remove the shrimp and then I stir fry the string bean and carrot in that same oil from the shrimp, which is the coconut oil. Then I add some chickpeas. You can see those chickpeas in there. And what I did was fry up some saltfish, add some scallion, a good amount of scallion